Have you ever looked at an empty plastic bottle and wondered, could this little thing transform your garden? Well, today we're going to show you exactly how. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, where age is just a number and creativity knows no limits. If you have a small garden, a tiny balcony, or even just a sunny windowsill, you're about to discover over 10 creative, easy-to-make DIY projects that turn simple bottles into beautiful, practical garden wonders. From self-watering planters to charming hanging gardens, these ideas are perfect for seniors who want to enjoy gardening without heavy lifting or fuss. So if you love growing your own food or flowers, or just want to add a splash of green to your space, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video to support the channel, subscribe for more simple gardening inspiration, and share this video with a friend who would love these ideas too. Ready to turn trash into treasure and transform your garden? Let's get started. Let's talk about why plastic bottles are such a fantastic choice for small gardens, especially for seniors. First, they're easy to find and free. Most of us have empty bottles lying around. Second, they're lightweight and easy to handle. No heavy pots or digging needed. Third, bottles are versatile. You can cut, stack, hang, or decorate them to fit any space, no matter how small. Plus, reusing bottles is eco-friendly. It reduces waste and helps the environment, which makes every garden greener in more ways than one. And lastly, bottle gardens are often low maintenance and perfect for container gardening, which means less bending and back strain. So whether you have a tiny balcony or just a windowsill, bottles make gardening simple, affordable, and fun. Let's start with a space-saving favorite, the vertical bottle herb garden. You'll need thoughtful, empty plastic bottles, a knife or scissors, string, wire, hooks, soil or a growing medium, herb seedlings like basil, parsley, or mint. Step 1. Cut a rectangular opening along the side of each bottle. This will be the planting space. Step 2. Fill each bottle with soil or your preferred growing medium. Step 3. Plant your herb seedlings inside the openings. Step 4. Securely hang the bottles vertically, using string or wire on a wall, fence, or balcony railing. This vertical garden saves space and lets you grow fresh herbs right at your fingertips, perfect for cooking or tea. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to water from the top. Next up is a clever way to keep your plants hydrated with little effort, the self-watering bottle planter. You'll need 2 empty plastic bottles of the same size, scissors or a knife, a piece of cotton cloth or wick, soil or growing medium, your favorite small plants or herbs. Step 1. Cut one bottle in half, invert the top half and place it into the bottom half, creating a funnel shape. Step 2. Thread the cotton wick through the bottle neck so one end dips into the water below and the other extends into the soil above. Step 3. Fill the top part with soil and plant your herbs or flowers. Step 4. Fill the bottom bottle with water. The wick will slowly draw water up to the roots, keeping your plants moist for days. This is perfect for seniors who want an easy care garden without daily watering. Now let's brighten up your garden or balcony with a hanging bottle flower garden. You'll need empty plastic bottles, scissors or a knife, strong string or twine, soil or growing medium, small flowering plants like petunias or pansies. Step 1. Cut a large opening on the side of each bottle to create a planter space. Step 2. Make holes near the bottle's neck for threading the string securely. Step 3. Fill the bottle with soil and plant your flowers inside. Step 4. Hang the bottles from hooks, balcony railings, or tree branches. This hanging garden adds a splash of color and beauty, perfect for small spaces and easy to care for. Let's add a little magic with a bottle fairy garden, a tiny world of plants, moss, and decorations inside a bottle. You'll need a clear plastic bottle with the label removed, small plants like moss, tiny ferns or succulents, pebbles or small stones, decorative items like miniature fairy figurines, shells, or tiny furniture. Step 1. Start by adding a layer of small stones at the bottom for drainage. Step 2. Add a thin layer of soil or growing medium. Step 3. Plant your tiny greenery carefully inside. Step 4. Arrange your fairy decorations to bring the garden to life. Place your fairy garden on a table, shelf, or windowsill to enjoy a peaceful, enchanted green space indoors. Now let's create a stunning bottle garden wall art, a beautiful way to display your plants while saving space. You'll need several empty plastic bottles, a wooden board or sturdy frame, paint and brushes optional, strong wire, string or zip ties, soil or growing medium, succulents, herbs or small flowers, Step 1. Cut openings in each bottle large enough to plant your greenery. Step 2. Optional. Decorate the bottles with paint or patterns to add a personal touch. Step 3. Attach the bottles horizontally to the wooden board. Use wire or zip ties. Step 4. Fill the bottles with soil and plant your chosen plants. Mount your garden art on a wall or fence where it can catch sunlight. This eye-catching piece brings nature indoors or livens up any outdoor space, and it's perfect for small gardens. Number 6. Let's create cozy little ecosystems with bottle terrarium planters, perfect for growing moisture-loving plants indoors. You'll need clear plastic bottles with labels removed, small plants like ferns, moss, or air plants, pebbles or small stones, activated charcoal optional to keep it fresh, soil or growing medium. Step 1. Start with a layer of pebbles at the bottom for drainage. Step 2. Add a thin layer of activated charcoal if you have it. It helps keep the air fresh. Step 3. Add your soil and carefully plant your greenery. Step 4. Lightly mist your plants to keep humidity high, ideal for terrariums. Place your terrarium in indirect sunlight and enjoy a little green world on your table or shelf. Number 7. Let's combine beauty and wildlife with our bottle bird feeder planter combo, a charming way to attract birds while growing your favorite plants. You'll need 2 plastic bottles, scissors or a knife, strong string or twine, soil or growing medium, small plants like herbs or flowers, bird seed. Step 1. Cut a bottle in half horizontally. Use the top half inverted as a planter, and the bottom half as a bird feeder. Step 2. Attach strings to hang both sections securely from a tree branch or balcony. Step 3. Fill the top planter with soil and plant your herbs or flowers. Step 4. Fill the bottom feeder with birdseed to invite feathered friends. Enjoy watching birds visit your garden while you harvest fresh herbs or enjoy blooming flowers. Number 8. Let's add some charming and colorful borders to your garden with bottle garden edging. You'll need empty plastic bottles, scissors or a knife, paint or permanent markers optional, soil or sand to fill the bottles for stability. Step 1. Cut the bottoms off the bottles, or leave them whole for a more colorful effect. Step 2. Optional. Decorate the bottles with paint or markers, bright colors, patterns, or garden-themed designs. Step 3. Fill the bottles partially with soil or sand to weigh them down. Step 4. Place the bottles upside down or side by side along your garden beds or pathways to create a neat border. This is a simple way to define your garden space and add personality. Number 9. Ready to grow fresh, healthy greens without. Let's build a simple bottle hydroponic garden perfect for small spaces and easy care. You'll need clear plastic bottles, scissors or a knife, net cups or small containers with holes, nutrient solution, seedlings like lettuce, spinach, or herbs. Step 1. Cut the bottles near the top to create openings for your net cups. Step 2. Fill the bottom part with nutrient solution, enough to touch the roots. Step 3. Place your seedlings in the net cups, making sure roots reach the nutrient water. Step 4. Set your hydroponic bottles in a sunny spot, and watch your plants thrive. Hydroponics means less mess, no soil, and faster growth. Perfect for seniors wanting a neat, productive garden. Number 10. Succulents are perfect for low-maintenance gardening, and our bottle succulent garden is a charming way to showcase them. You'll need clear or colored plastic bottles, pebbles or small stones, cactus or succulent soil mix, various succulent cuttings or small plants. Step 1. Cut the bottle to create a wide opening. Step 2. Add a layer of pebbles for drainage. Step 3. Fill with cactus soil mix. Step 4. Plant your succulents carefully, arranging different shapes and colors. Place your succulent garden in bright indirect sunlight and enjoy a beautiful, easy care display. Let's add a personal touch to your garden with personalized bottle plant markers, simple, creative, and a great way to keep track of your plants. You'll need bottle caps or strips cut from plastic bottles, permanent markers or paint pens, small sticks or skewers, optional, glue or tape. Step 1. Cut bottle strips into small rectangles or use bottle caps as labels. Step 2. Write the names of your plants clearly using markers or paint. Step 3. Attach the labels to sticks or place them next to your plants. These markers add charm and help you remember what's growing where, especially handy for beginners. And that wraps up our 10 Paws creative bottle garden ideas. Ready to transform your small garden? Start with one idea today and watch your green space flourish. Thank you so much for joining us today at Timeless Gardening. We hope these creative bottle garden ideas inspire you to transform your small space into a vibrant oasis. Remember, gardening is for every age, and every bottle holds a world of possibility. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more simple and inspiring gardening projects. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell us which idea you'll try first, or share your own bottle garden tips. Sharing is caring, so please share this video with a friend who loves gardening too. Happy gardening, and see you next time on Timeless Gardening, where growing never gets old.